Why do dragons never make plans? Because they like to wing it. Stick around to learn how to draw a dragon. Once you've got your paper and pencil, we're going to start drawing the dragon's body. Start off with somewhat of a U shape. If you look closely, you'll see that I have a small dip on both ends of the line. Next, we're going to finish the body by adding a line for the dragon's neck and its tail. When you're ready, it's time to work on the dragon's head and ears. Now, add 2 horns at the top. To add the legs, we're going to draw a line on the inside, almost identical to the outside line. Then, draw the paws at the bottom. Great job! Now add your eyes, nostrils, and mouth. Don't forget small lines at the bottom to highlight the dragon's toenails. Phew! We're almost done. Now it's time for the dragon's wings. Finish off the wings with the curves. Oh, and we can't forget about the tail. Nice! We did it! Great job! For more directed drawings, head to twinkl.com.